Want to understand what drives customers to contact support and how it affects their journey? Here's how to automatically capture new Help Scout tickets as events in Mixpanel for deeper customer insights. This workflow starts the moment a new conversation is created in Help Scout. Whether it's an email, chat, or phone call that generates a ticket, the trigger fires instantly. Next, we send a new Help Scout ticket event to Mixpanel with rich context. We capture the customer's email as the unique identifier, plus ticket subject, status, type, and any tags your team applies. This creates a complete timeline of when customers first reach out for help and what they're asking about. Now you can analyze support patterns alongside your product data, see which features drive the most tickets, identify users at risk of churn, and measure how quickly reaching out to support affects customer behavior. So get MESA, the AI automation platform that helps you do more with less effort. Get started today with templates like this one, or build your own workflows from scratch. Make it happen at getmesa.com.